Hello there! I am Teacher John, a licensed professional teacher with a TEFL certification. I am from the Philippines where English is an official language. With a year of experience, my student-centered approach ensures that our learning journey is fun, engaging, personalized, and focused on your needs. I can teach kids, teens, and even professional adults. Beyond the classroom, I am passionate about anime, movies, and football. These hobbies help me infuse creativity and excitement into our lessons. Through interactive activities and real-life scenarios, we will enhance your language skills and develop your confidence in English. I believe in constantly growing and learning as a teacher. I stay updated with the latest teaching strategies to ensure that you receive the best learning experience. Join my classes to unlock your full potential and achieve language learning goals together. Thank you for your time and I look forward to teaching and learning with you. See ya!